Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to create a one-time card on Klarna. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to create a one-time card inside Klarna, well, there are a few things that you need to follow. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the app and log in into your Klarna account. Once in here, you want to go to the search at the very top here and search for the store that you want to purchase from. Now, typically, once you do selected the store, you should see an option at the very bottom that says Pay with Klarna. Now, once you click on it, it's going to give you an option that says Create One-Time Card. Now, go ahead and click on the Create One-Time Card option here. And by the way, you can also choose a different way. So if you want to directly use Klarna inside the platform, you can go ahead and do that. But then again, just choose the Create One-Time Card option. Now, once we've done this, it's going to ask you how much you want to basically pay or how much you need for this specific transaction. So go ahead and indicate how much, then click on the Continue button. And from then on, it's going to ask you to confirm a few details about your payments. So in this case, what is your due, and also the your current purchase, and also the card you'll be using to make the actual payments in the future. Now, once you do agree, and once you review this, you can go and click on Agree and Create Card. And this will create the card on Klarna. Now, this may take a while, so just wait for a while. And from then on, your card should be created, and you can go and just add this into your Google Pay account or your Apple Pay. Depends on what your device right now. Now, you can also see your actual card here if you click on your card, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.